Welcome to Any Connector Audio Insights, where we unpack how small changes in restaurant technology can unlock massive operational wins. Today's episode is about something that looks minor on the surface, but quietly creates a ripple effect across your entire operation. We call it the Integration Snowball Effect, how one connected workflow can save dozens of downstream tasks you didn't even realize were slowing you down. At first, it looks like a small issue. A menu price updates in the POS, but not on a delivery app. A loyalty reward shows up late. Payroll totals don't match what managers expected. Someone patches it manually. Then again, then again. Most restaurants don't realize that a single disconnected workflow rarely stays small. It snowballs. That's because modern restaurant operations don't run on one system. They run on chains of systems. And when one link breaks, the impact spreads everywhere. Behind the scenes, restaurants rely on deeply connected workflows. POS systems feed menu management. Online ordering connects to third-party delivery. Kitchen displays rely on accurate tickets. Inventory and purchasing depend on item-level data. Workforce tools drive timekeeping and payroll. And accounting, loyalty, and CRM systems rely on clean sales data. Every order triggers dozens of data events: prices, modifiers, taxes, payments, tips, discounts, loyalty points, inventory depletion, and revenue posting. When those updates don't flow end to end, teams stop operating and start firefighting. Let's take one simple example: a single menu price change. Without integration, that one update creates a cascade of problems. Delivery menus show the old price, leading to guest complaints and refunds. Promotions and combos price incorrectly across channels. Kitchen tickets don't match what guests paid, increasing remake risk. Inventory usage and food cost tracking drift out of sync. Loyalty points calculate off the wrong revenue amount. Accounting receives inconsistent sales totals by channel. Before long, managers lose confidence in reports and fall back on spreadsheets. That's 10 or more downstream issues from one small change. Multiply that across hundreds of menu items, multiple locations, and multiple ordering channels, and the snowball grows fast. Now, let's flip the same scenario, with real-time, end-to-end integration in place. One update creates many wins. A price change is made once, in the POS or menu system. Menus sync automatically across web, kiosks, and delivery platforms. Orders flow cleanly to the kitchen with correct totals and modifiers. Inventory depletes accurately using consistent item mapping. Loyalty and CRM receive clean purchase data. Accounting posts reliable revenue records by store and channel. Dashboards update fast enough for leaders to act the same day. One connected workflow quietly eliminates 20 or more manual checks, fixes, and reconciliations across multiple teams. That's the integration snowball effect. When restaurants move from disconnected workflows to integrated ones, clear patterns emerge. Menu updates shift from manual fixes to real-time sync across channels. Order accuracy improves, reducing errors and remakes. Refunds and disputes become the exception, not the rule. Inventory variance drops from double-digit percentages to under 5%. Managers reclaim hours every week previously spent chasing data. Reporting moves from delayed and inconsistent to near real-time, and the guest experience becomes predictable, consistent, and seamless. The change isn't dramatic on day one, but the compounding impact is. Some integrations create outsized downstream impact because they sit at the center of operations. POS integrations influence pricing, ordering, discounts, taxes, and reporting. Inventory integrations improve forecasting, purchasing, and margin control. Payroll and HR integrations reduce reconciliation work and strengthen compliance. Third-party delivery integrations protect digital revenue and reduce order failures. Accounting integrations improve financial accuracy and speed up close cycles. Fix just one of these, and multiple teams feel relief almost immediately. manual work doesn't scale. Connected workflows do. When data flows reliably between systems, restaurants consistently see fewer errors, faster decisions, less admin work, and more consistent guest experiences. Multi-location expansion becomes easier because processes are repeatable. Teams stop patching problems and start operating with confidence. Integration becomes a force multiplier, not another layer of complexity. This is where any connector comes in. Any connector acts as the integration engine behind the scenes, keeping workflows in sync across POS, inventory, payroll, loyalty, accounting, and delivery systems. It supports multi-system connectivity for franchise and enterprise brands, works with modern and legacy platforms, and delivers secure, scalable, enterprise-grade reliability. One connection, dozens of downstream wins. The biggest operational improvements don't come from working harder. They come from connecting smarter. When one workflow syncs correctly, errors drop. Teams breathe easier, guests feel the difference, and growth becomes simpler. That's the integration snowball effect. And with any connector, you don't just fix one problem, you quietly solve 20. Because in modern restaurants, integration isn't a feature, it's the foundation. You've been listening to Any Connector Audio Insights. To see how one connected workflow can transform your entire operation, visit anyconnector.com and explore what seamless integration can do for your business.